Hi guys, welcome back again. Continuing our work with Garageband. Today we are looking at how to use the built-in drummer in Garageband, which is a really simple but quite an effective tool for our Garageband compositions. So here we go. You can see I've already opened up a Garageband session, and today I'm going to be selecting this one here that says drummer, and I'm going to hit create. Okay, so what we've got here, this is our drum channel here. You can see it's already got some audio in there. It's like if you remember back to our loop session last time, it's like we've already dropped a loop in because the drummer already comes with some loops there. So let's have a listen to just what's there already. Let's hit play. Now, first thing to do is have a look at how you can change that part and change what the drums are doing, okay? So first of all, down here in this bottom section, so up here is the waveform, down here in the lower half of the screen, we have a wide variety of options. Over on the left here, we have some presets. So if I choose, say, a different one of those, what you'll notice is it highlights some different parts of the drum kit, all right, and which means that they're the ones you can manipulate, and I'll show you how to do that in a minute. But the second thing is this little golden ball here moves around. Now what this ball is all about, you can control for different sections of your piece how loud, soft, simple or complex the beat is simply by moving this ball around. So if I grabbed it and moved it up to the top, that's loud. The lower I go, the softer the part is. To the left is simple, and to the right is complex. So say my first section, I want it to be about a moderate level in volume wise, maybe a little bit louder, and I want it to be pretty simple. I'd kind of set it over here somewhere. Let's have a listen to that beat. Okay, so there's our part. Now the second, you see how there's two distinct separate sections here. Let's click on the second section. For the second one, I want it to be louder, and I might want a different kind of feel here. I might want a different sort of beat. So let's see what this one over here is like. Okay, so now let's have a listen to what happens when you move from the first section into the second. Here's our first beat. Here's my second one. You can hear the two parts are quite different, and it also distinguishes two different sections for us. So that in essence is how we use the drums. There's one more thing you can do here. Down here you noticed when we were switching between the different presets, you'll notice that the different parts of the drum kit here change. So say I select this Crash the Party, the top preset. The toms are highlighted, and I can change what they do by moving this. So if it was on 1, and if I move it, if I move it over onto 3, the toms get used more. Now have a listen to as I move kick and snare. See how it's now become very busy? That's because I moved this one over here. So say percussion. What if I wanted to add a shaker? I click the shaker, and then I move that up to say 2, and there's a shaker in there. It's not that easy to hear with that particular beat, but there was a shaker in there. So these are the 3 main ways you can manipulate the drummer. Let's go back and review how you do that. You click add, you add your drummer. Once you click create, I'm going to click cancel now because I've already got one, but if otherwise you click create, then you'll be presented with this. You can choose a different preset. Just remember, when you're doing any changes, the section you've got selected up the top here, excuse me, will be the only section that changes. So if you want this first section here to change too, you've got to click over on it, then choose the different preset, and change the different parameters to suit your needs. So go ahead and have an experiment with the drummer, and I look forward to seeing what you come up with. Thanks, guys.